We're making brown stew. This is another recipe from Ada de la Harpe.
And
in her cookery book, this recipe can be found. This is a recipe
from British, right?
This is a British recipe.
Yes, I guessed. As you can see, you need flour and
1 onion.
Finely chopped.
And we mixed cinnamon, salt, and pepper.
Now we needed cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Now we need. What else do we need?
Chicken, 1 pound. Cinnamon, salt, and pepper.
So we
broiled the chicken and the onions
in the oven
for 45 minutes.
For 45 minutes.
They're ready. We're gonna put in the chicken in a pot and heat it up in slow heat with some water.
Alright. Good. The water. So what's the water doing?
It's gonna boil the chicken. Our chicken is boiling. We're gonna add the potatoes. We're gonna add the onions. We're gonna cover it and cook.
So
we cooked our brown stew
and
until the potatoes cooked.
Yeah. And when do we add the potatoes?
We added the potatoes like 30 minutes ago.
Oh.
And we let it cook until the potatoes became softer.
And actually now it's cooled down. Right?
Yes.
So how do you use it? Is it a toast?
We can have it as a stew. Yes. This is our brown stew.